Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable FaceTime SharePlay on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on FaceTime. Next, go down and then tap on SharePlay. Then at the top, tap on the SharePlay toggle button to switch off or turn on SharePlay. So what is SharePlay in FaceTime? It allows you to share and synchronize entertainment and share activities on your screen to other FaceTime users. Some of the things that you can share, for example, is movie and TV shows. So you can stream movies and shows from multiple platforms like Apple TV, Disney Plus, Hulu, HBO Max, and more. Now, some of this will require subscriptions, and in Perfect Sync, it will allow you to have a perfect sync with everyone on the FaceTime call. So no more wait, and what scenes you're at the moment, it will allow you to share, and you all the people that you are in FaceTime with can view them at the same time. Now you can also share music, so you can play tunes from Apple Music and create a collaborative playlist everyone can add to, dance, sing along, or just vibe together virtually. And there is also a gaming goodness factor. You can turn your FaceTime call into a mini game night, play supported multiplayer games like Among Us and Uno directly within the call, sharing the screen and strategizing in real time. Beyond that, you can also perform screen sharing, so you can share what's going on your screen to other FaceTime user. You can also collaborate with other FaceTime user on a project by simply sharing your notes with other people via SharePlay. So a lot of things that can be done once you turn on SharePlay. And that's it. That's what SharePlay is for and how you can switch it on or off. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.